Hi kids, God bless you. Okay, today we're reviewing the vowels and two consonants, okay? We have letter A, says A, as in apple. A says A. Then we have E, says E, as in elephant. E says E. Okay, then we have I says E as in igloo. I says E. Then we have O says as in ostrich. O says aw. And for last, we have U says as in umbrella. U says Okay, those are the 5 vowels we learned. Today we're gonna review 2 consonants, and that's letter Q. Q says K as in quilt. Q says K as in quilt. And then we have R says as in rug. R says Okay. Review the 5 vowel sounds and these 2 consonants, and I should be back either with a new letter or we'll review previous consonants sounds. Okay, God bless you. Bye.